Hello viewers, now I am doing the program is PIR Motion Sensor using Arduino Uno board. First I am needed Arduino Uno board. This is Arduino Uno board, project board, USB cable and a motion sensor. This is motion sensor and a bar jar and a resistor 120 ohm. First I connect the Arduino board with PC. Verify program complete and upload the program. Upload is complete. Okay, now I am connecting Arduino Uno with motion sensor. This is supply VCC 5 volt and the red color cable is ground and yellow is output of motion. Connected the Arduino input pin number 2, digital pin number 2. Now set the buzzer with resistor and connected the output of Arduino pin number 3 is input of buzzers and this terminal is ground. Okay, now connect the supply. Okay, input signal, the buzzers is signal alarm is 1. This time is 15 time the alarm is 1 and after is off. We want check again. This alarm is continue.